To make your health club even more rocking, inviting, and more playful for your clients, you need to have 7 accessories which can actually boost a lot of exercise benefits for your clients. Now, let me present to you those 7 pieces which you should have in your gyms. A basic accessory is your punching bag. They come in sizes 4 feet, 5 feet, and 6 feet in commercial and professional and standalone. Your members would like to practice kickboxing, they want to practice kicks, they want to practice warm-up exercises. Punching bag adds a lot of value for them if they want to play around with their body, mobilization and movement. Get hold of this. Every member inside your gym does not want bodybuilding exercises. They also may not want the cardiovascular exercise. But a tire flip with a hammer can offer a good confluence of movement, endurance and functional fitness. Tire flip comes in sizes of 40 and 60 kilos and your hammer comes in size of 4, 6, 8 and 10 kilos. अब इसमें इतनी वेरिएशन ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेज इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं, इतनी इंटेंसिटी दे सकते हैं अपने क्लाइंट्स की वर्कआउट्स में. सो दिस टूल विल ऑफर योर क्लाइंट्स टू गेट मोर एक्साइटेड टुवर्ड्स वर्किंग आउट विद इन योर जिम. फार्मर वॉक इज अगेन अ वेरी गुड एक्सरसाइज. आपके ट्रेनर्स के पास फैसिलिटी नहीं होती बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव फार्मर वॉक बार्स. This will engage your clients to develop their endurance, muscle strength, it engages your core, it engages your upper body and the lower body. So load your weights and then they start to walk. Get the farmer walk inside your gyms. अगर आप अपने clients को wall climbing में engage करेंगे, that exercise actually will develop the upper body and core muscles very efficiently. Now there you go with a pegboard. Get one pegboard installed in your gym for wall climbing exercises. Bulgarian bags are such a useful pieces of hardware. आपके trainers के पास जब ये tools available हो, आपके clients के साथ they can really do a lot of functional training exercises. So this comes in sizes of 5 till 25 kilos in every 5 kilos increment. You should have at least one set of Bulgarian bag for your trainers to play around with their clients' health and better conditioning. Your members actually struggle to do deadlift exercises because किसी पिछले मेंबर ने अगर वेट एक्स्ट्रा लोड कर दिया देन उन्होंने री-रैक नहीं किया. अगर आपने वेट को एक्सचेंज करना, यू वांट टू गो अप और यू वांट टू कम डाउन, it's a lot of effort. This jack is such a small hardware but will change the entire experience for your members. Get a set of deadlift jack for your members. And the last and the most recent addition to the gym training is your arm wrestling platform. दो लोग एक साथ अपनी arm wrestling में engage हो सकते हैं. This is very good for social activity, community exercises. More so, it's more to develop your core strength, your arm strength, your wrist strength. So get this thing for your clients to get them engaged together, perform some competitive exercises and make the energy in the gym more vibrant. Have this within your gym.